At 1 a.m. on September 10th, 2024, Apple's full special event kicked off. Without further ado, let's dive into the teaser. Pretty exciting, right? The iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro series took center stage. While much of it aligned with earlier online leaks, there were still some surprises and standout features. Let's keep watching to see what else is in store. First up is the iPhone 16 Pro series, hailed as the biggest yet. The Pro lineup still includes two models, iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Both feature a body made from grade 5 titanium, available in 4 stunning colors: black titanium, white titanium, natural titanium, and desert titanium. The most significant change is the screen size. The iPhone 16 Pro has increased from 6.1 inches to 6.3 inches, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max has grown from 6.7 inches to 6.9 inches. Both models come with Dynamic Island, ProMotion Adaptive Refresh Rate technology, up to 120 Hz, True Tone display, and a peak brightness of 2000 nits. In terms of imaging, the iPhone 16 Pro series introduces a new 48 megapixel primary sensor and upgrades the ultra-wide lens to 48 megapixel. Next up is the iPhone 16 series, which offers more for the same price. The new colors include ultramarine, blue-green, and pink, while the classic black and white options are also available. The series introduces a new ceramic shield material, enhancing hardness by 50%. The screen sizes remain the same as the previous generation, with the iPhone 16 at 6.1 inches and the iPhone 16 Plus at 6.7 inches. The body is made from aerospace-grade aluminum and features a new super ceramic shield panel for increased durability. Here are the prices. Considering the above, which model do you think offers the best value? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments.